What's going on YouTube? As I can see by the title, you already know what time it is, bro. So basically, y'all got 5K likes, 6K, 7K, 8K likes on my past IRL videos, bro. I don't know, but you guys are loving the IRLs, you feel me? So y'all drop a like on this IRL right here. 5K likes for more IRLs. It's that simple, baby. 5K likes, that's all y'all need. So I'm gonna show y'all the best setup of all time. Best setup of all time, baby. 510K. We just hit 510K. And I still didn't even record my setup, bro. What's to me? I fell off at Jace. I knew it, but let's get straight into this Jungerson and let's go, baby. Well, I'm about to show you guys the greatest setup of all time. Stop playing with the game. It's 510K, and he still didn't drop the setup video, man. Thank you guys for 5K likes. We got like 8K likes on what videos did we get 8K likes? We got 8K likes on like the car vlog, and we got like over 8,000 likes on like the shoe collection vlog. I'm like, what? These guys are loving the IRLs. Those guys are my dogs. But let's get this jump power side out. Yo, Shelly, just look at this Shelly. Let's look at the setup real quick, man. So I'm gonna start off with my PlayStation 4. Y'all got the PlayStation 4 Pro, man. The PlayStation 4 Pro, it has like 1 gigabyte, I think, memory. It has hella memory in it, hella memory. I love it. It's fast, 1080p, good quality. I upload my videos off there sometimes, just sometimes, no, not all the time, but I upload my videos off that sometimes. I'm gonna show you guys the world's greatest headset. You feel me? I love this headset. I had like 4 pairs of this headset, y'all, for the past like 6 years. So that's crazy. 6 years and I bought like 4 pairs of these headsets, y'all. It's crazy. I love it, but this is breaking too, man. And they don't even sell these junks anymore too. It's Turtle Beaches, by the way, 500 piece. They don't even sell them anymore. Stealth 500 piece. I have to tape it up because it's falling apart like it's just supposed to, bro. Let me know a good headset in the comment section. ASAP Rocky, like Steel Series or something. Like something that's good when talking on the mic. Not a Blue Yeti, I have a Blue Yeti, but I need a good headset, man. For real, I need a good headset. So let me know in the chat, especially talking, because I use talking like through streams and all that. Yo, what's good, stream? You already know what's to him, stream. He bangs his head in conks. He's funny, Bill Tad. Let's get this done. That's the second thing I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys my monitor right here. Look at this monitor. Shelly, zoom, come into this monitor. I can't even show it. You already know what account I'm on. It's your boy, I run you. I'm out here on no skin. But we out here going crazy. This is an Asus monitor, 24 inches. 1 response time, 1 second, 1 millisecond response time. It's crazy fast. Like I just love it, bro. That's one of the best monitors, hands down. You can adjust it, all that good stuff. Up, down, and above it you can see this camera right here, man. Y'all see this camera right here? I use this when I record off OBS. So it's like, say if I recorded like the best shotgunner video. You guys see my best shotgunner video or the Combat Pro video. You guys seen a bunch of my videos with OBS. I love them videos, bro. I guess they're better quality, but at the same time they're not. I don't know. PS4 and PC have it different. PC have it like, they have it like the easy FPS way. I don't know how, but yo, PlayStation, you gotta upgrade your stuff. I'm frozen and grave. Anyways, y'all, I already showed y'all this camera right here, this Logitech camera. I'm gonna show y'all the camera I used to stream on, the PlayStation camera. Cause y'all know I stream off the PlayStation. I love streaming off the PlayStation cause like streaming off OBS, you need chat link and all that. Like you can't even hear it. It's stupid, bro. But I stream off the PlayStation and I use this camera right here, man. This camera is goldified, truly goldified. I love the camera. PlayStation, keep doing your thing, bro. Keep doing your thing. And we gonna move on to the gaming chair, baby. Look at this little ass chair. This chair little as heel. I need a new chair for real. I got this chair for like $80. I had it for over a year now. I definitely need a new chair. The cushion is like going lower and lower. It's just stupid, bro. I don't want this junk anymore. Rips in it, all that stupid stuff. But look at this junk right here, baby. This is my main controller right here. Blue controller, my newest controller, y'all. My newest controller right here. Look at all these controllers right here though, y'all. I ran through all these controllers right here. I ran through all of them, y'all, except for my Scuff. I have a Scuff, but I do not use it. This Scuff is beautiful. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Crazy. Oh my god. That junk go crazy, y'all. But look at this junk, crazy, super crazy. But all these junks are like something's like wrong with them. Something wrong with them. All these right here, y'all. Tell me which one's your favorite in the comment section, by the way, too, y'all. Tell me which one's your favorite in the comment section. Let me sit down for a little, though. Sit down on phone. I'm gonna show you guys my monitor right here. Look at this monitor. Oh my god, this is the Acer monitor. I had it for like 2 years. 2 years, and y'all already know that's the GOAT right there. 511K. Y'all go watch all my recent videos right there right now before I slap the head out of all you guys. Bow.
Hello.
Ming. Bro, I got hand sanitizer, so I put hand sanitizer on my hands before streaming, you feel me? Before every stream, man. You have to do that, John. Cause you don't want your hands smelling like sweat.
Facts.
You can't be a sweaty out here. Anyways, y'all, look at this, John. My speaker. This is the big boy speaker. 1, 2, 3. Them jungs go crazy, boy. Them jungs go crazy. They're like, this speaker's like $200 too, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. We're almost done. We're almost done. I got an LDAS. This is similar. This is so similar to my 550K video. So similar. I ain't gonna lie, but I had my setup moved to like the left side of my bed, but I moved it back over here. So, you feel me? Like, you just have to keep moving stuff around. You gotta make space and all that. Blue Yeti. Sexy as heel. Silver. Man, is that I don't know, is that man. But that's it. Basically, that's it for my setup. I have hella things. This is the green screen behind me. Let me turn on this light. Shelly, turn on the green screen, baby. Let's go, baby. The green screen little as hell. We got tapes all around it. Tapes all around it. I already told you guys on my wall. I got that freaking design on my wall. I should rip it off though, cause I don't care about it. I don't care. We got a comic in our jacket though. We got a comic in our jacket. This is a Montclair jacket, y'all. There's dead ass comics in a jacket. Like what the hell? That's literally 3 titties, baby.
4 titties or 6?
I like 6. Anyways, y'all, I forgot to show you guys my damn PC. How did I forget to show you guys my PC, baby? How did I forget to show you guys my keyboard, baby? How did I forget to show you guys my lighting? Oh my god. There's a hole in my lighting, y'all. Look, it melted. I had this I had the same lighting for like 2 years now, bro. That's crazy. Multiples on us? I knew it. But anyways, look at this PC. Holy. Yo, I bought this for like 2.5K on Amazon like an idiot. Somebody gave me a L. My keyboard right here. If y'all didn't see my keyboard, I Buy Power. Sponsor me, hurry up. But anyways, I want to thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for 500K. I love y'all though. All jokes aside. Real shit. I know I said this in 2 videos already, but I wouldn't have this setup right here if it wasn't for you guys. You feel me? The grind don't stop. Appreciate the love in the chat. Make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, and comment. Shout out to my boy Shelly in the chat, man. You already know how we rock it. Y'all show up to Shelly up next.
Shelly up next on YouTube. You already know what's happening.
Simple. Shelly up next right now. Hurry up. Let's get it Joe Popperstein. But GG's in the chat, Q-Cron's in the chat. Make sure you guys come out to all my streams. Giving away that 20 PSN card. If you don't follow it, I'm slapping you. GG's in the chat. Audi gang, we on top. Let's get it, baby. Simple chops. Anyways, y'all go follow me on Instagram right now. Go follow me on Instagram right now. We about to have 30K. 30K. Follow me on Instagram. I'll show you guys my Twitter too. My Instagram is in the description. And my Twitter is right here. Follow me on Twitter, ASAP Rocky, baby. You already know how we coming. Let's get this jump Popperstein. And 510K, we just hit it, baby. My YouTube is just so popping. I love you guys so much. Appreciate all the support in the chat. Let's get it jump Popperstein, baby. Fortnite, I'm hopping on you right now. You ugly, suavity.